Good, how are you?
When are you leaving? The virus is in Connecticut now. They mentioned it today.
Be careful.
It's in New York. There's 105 people in New York.
I'm gonna miss your birthday this year.
That's okay. You do what you want to do. Just don't get sick.
I'm sorry,
Keep
Grandma.
washing your hands.
I wish I could make it. I really do.
It's up to you. I can't tell you what to do.
Good morning. So right now I'm about to board my flight back home. I've been traveling around Australia and Asia since New Year's, so I haven't been in America in all of 2020. And as you know, it has hit the fan and the world is kind of falling apart right now. But I was already going to be going home today because today is my grandma's birthday and I wanted to surprise her because it's her 90th, can't miss it. So I wanted to just vlog me surprising my grandma because she has no idea that I'm coming home. And I also wanted to just show what it's like to travel during a pandemic because it's pretty scary so far. I've been traveling around Asia and it's been pretty crazy out there, and I would just want to show what it's like getting back into America because I've heard some things, I don't know what to expect, but I smell drama on the way. So I will let you know how it goes and update you because I also have no one to talk to. So thank you for joining me today on this travel day. I will talk to you later. I just peed and yeah, update, the plane is completely empty. I've never seen a flight this deserted before, especially a transatlantic flight. They're usually so crowded, as you probably know too. It's crazy. There's literally like no one on the flight. I could just play like musical chairs on this flight. There's like actually no one here. But the airport in London was pretty smooth. There wasn't any temperature checks or anything. I'm excited to see what it's like on the land in America. And I will talk to you when I get there. Hopped off the plane at JFK with the dream that I don't have corona. So as soon as we got off the plane, they took our temperature and gave me this little piece of paper. But they're wearing masks and it was kind of like scary. Like they were all wearing gloves and masks, like the two guys that took our temperature. Scary. But I passed the temperature check, so we're in the clear. JFK is also dead right now. It took me probably like 2 minutes to get through security. I barely waited in line, and they asked me all the countries I went to, and that was it. Like they asked also if I got temperature checked, and I was like, yep. And that was it. Pretty easy. I thought we were gonna be getting tested. Seems like they have it under control for the most part. Like everyone got their temperature checked. So yeah, it's just very empty. It's like very eerie. There's like no one here. It's weird. Like. In other news, it is so weird to be back in America. I haven't been here since December, and now it's time to surprise my grandma. I'm so excited. She has no idea that I'm here, and first I'm gonna go say hi to my mom because she's here and she's driving me back to Connecticut, so shout out mom. Oh my god. So I just got back to Connecticut and it's time to surprise my grandma, the birthday girl. I've been waiting for this moment for weeks now. She has no idea. I'm not gonna go near her because of these circumstances. I don't wanna potentially get her sick. So I'm just gonna keep my distance and not go near her and not touch her because it's just not worth it. And we're just gonna play it safe. And I'm just gonna be on her deck and I'm gonna tell her to like stay inside because I know it's gonna, I really just wanna hug her. I just wanna squeeze her. I haven't seen her in 3 months, but it's just, I can't because I don't wanna risk it. Like I said, who knows? I don't think I have it, but you just never know. I've been traveling a lot and it would just be really horrible if someone her age contracted corona. So I'm gonna exercise my social distancing with my grandma, even though it's so tempting to just, but yeah, I'm just gonna go over there now and let's see how this goes. Hopefully she doesn't see me pull up. I think I'm gonna park somewhere and then like walk up. So I'll see you at my grandma's. Okay, I'm gonna call her to set up the surprise.
Kevin!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, thank you. How are you?
Good, how are you?
How did you get me?
I'm at a payphone right now in London.
Oh my Lord, very good.
Yeah, how are you doing today?
Okay, Greg and Jody came here about 10 to 5. Allison came, and so they were outside. They did not come in the house. They sat outside. There was like 6 of them.
That's good. Has it been a nice day? I feel really bad I wasn't able to make it this year.
I know, I just had to stay home. I stay home in the house.
It was like the first year I missed your birthday. It's
When do you think they're coming home?
I think in May.
Oh, you're crazy, Kevin. You are nuts.
I know.
May. Why May?
I don't know. I think that's just when the flights are gonna start running.
You know, you could still come home now. You could still come home. We gotta make a video. We gotta do...
So, Grandma, did my package deliver? It should be on your deck. I ordered a package for you.
There's nothing on my deck. I don't think... Why would there be something
No,
on my
go
deck?
on your deck. Check your deck.
No, they were on the deck. They sat on the deck. Oh!
Happy birthday!
Kevin, I can't believe you're home. Oh, God, that's the best present I have. The best
Happy
present.
birthday. I wish I could hug you, but I probably
No,
shouldn't.
you can't do nothing. I said package. What package? Oh, this is my best. This is the best. I was in the bathroom.
This is your birthday party.
What? There's
is-
no birthday party. No birthday party.
The big 90. So here's a little tutorial on how to social distance yourself. It's really easy. It also will help prevent the spread of this pandemic. You just stand 6 feet away from people in social scenarios like this. Grandma, come here. 6 feet.
I wet my pants because
What? You wet your pants? 'Cause
No,
you were so excited?
I was at the bathroom and I.
Oh my gosh! Look at your banner! Birthday girl. It's been so long.
I know, so long. That's the best present I got. The best.
How does it feel to be 90?
I don't know. I don't know. I feel like 65.
You look 65 too.
That's right. Okay, God bless you. Love you. I'm so glad you came back. You can't.
I couldn't miss your birthday, come
You
on.
can't go nowhere now.
So you had a fun day?
No, I had a fun day. You were the best one I had. That is the best thing I had. Wait and I tell Greg, I got a present today, the best one.
Aw, Grandma.
You'll be shocked.
Okay.
I want you to go home inside. This is how you could catch a cold. It's damp out, okay? Take care.
Bye, love you. Enjoy the rest of your birthday.
Oh, dear God, I'm going to watch, the 8 o'clock news. No, I'm going to watch Jim, what's his name?
Sounds like a turnt birthday. So that went really well. Is anyone else crying in the club right now? Like, that was so cute. I just wanted to point out that I think it's still important to visit your grandparents, especially during this time. I know that the elderly are more susceptible to, unfortunately, dying from this virus, but since all the grandparents, at least in my head, like, should be like quarantining themselves and not really going out, like everyone, especially older people, so they are just going to be alone or just kind of bored. So I think you could still visit your grandparents like what I just did. I'm going to go see my grandma because you're going to get cabin fever if you're just sitting inside all day. And I think it's important to still think of your grandparents during this time. Don't go near them and like probably don't touch them and don't give things to them because the virus can like stay on hard surfaces. I feel like this is all public knowledge and very known, but I'm just like repeating it if you don't know this. So I think it's just, you should still visit them, you know? I think it's good, but just be careful and don't possibly spread it to your grandparents, obviously. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. The button is down there if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, I can't believe how long this day has been. I woke up in London and the sun hasn't even set in Connecticut yet, and it's just, how is this day still going on, and how am I awake right now? I didn't even sleep last night. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna sleep, and yeah, I wish I could spend more time with my grandma on her birthday, which is sad because it's her 90th. It should be a big one, should be throwing a big bash, but it's just not this year. We have to be safe. Yeah, so stay safe and wash your hands, and I will see you next time.